Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you today? I hope you are good. I'm really good because my uncle, no, not uncle, my aunt is calling us with my mom. Hey, we are cooking bread, and village bread is awesome. Okay, and hey, come to us, and we come to her village. Yep, we will cook village bread, and I think you'll love it. Just wait, okay? I will show you village bread, how cooking village bread. I think you'll love it. Yeah, just watch, okay? Go. I'm really hungry. I'm waiting. Okay. Oh my god, it's smoke. Anyway, here is oven, okay? Now it's burning, and we will clean, and later we will put the bread. Okay, we are doing three kind of bread, okay? It is different. One, it's just eating right now, okay? It is, we are putting in inside vegetable or something, you know, I will show you later. And second one, it is not hard, not soft. It is for you know, for this week. And other one is long time, for a long time. It's big and it is a little hard, you know. I will show you. It is different. First, we are eating right now. For first one, we will eat this day. Second, for this week. And third is for a long time. Yeah, I will show you. And it's burning. Oh my god, smoke. Yeah. Ne var bunun içinde?
Bunun içinde mi?
Evet.
Nane,
Evet.
karabiber, kimyon, kırmızı biber yok. Değil mi? Yok.
Hani
Peynir,
turşuluk biber yok
yağ.
mu turşuluk biber?
Şeyden
Acılar aşağıda ben turşuluk
ince
benim
pul biber gidiyor.
Ondan özgür hoca verirsem olur mu?
Look, first taking here and putting here and opening, and my mom is opening more and later putting, and my cousin is closing things, and finally it is looking like that. I told you we have three kind of bread. We have first, it is like that. This is, we will cook right now and we will eat. This one second. This is for this week, these days, and finally it's a big one and it's for a long time. I will show you later. Okay. First this one. Later we will put oven and it will cook maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and later we will put the other one, big one. It will wait maybe 1 hour or something. I will show you. Yeah.
Caymaz o, ameliyata caymaz değil mi?
Kaç arkasından kaç.
Hastanın gözüne adı kırlar. Hastanın gözüne adı kırlar.
Now bread is ready. We will put the oven. Yeah, I will help. Yeah, look.
Kapan daha ya kapan. Çöpe koydum ondan. Çöpe kendi çöpe koydum. Babam koydu tane. Bu atası ince mi? Abi fideler gibi bıraksan ya. Olsun zaten o ters alayım onu.
A few moments later.
Oo bitmedi o gayet. Biliyorsun canım alacağım.
Yandı.
Ne yandı?
Bükme yandı.
Yanmaz. Geliyor. Kalkarın üstüne gel.
Ay bir yaktınız bunları be.
Yanmaz o dipte o kızım o da. Almaz Fatma elini verelim bir o zaman.
Hayır elimde.
Sen onu alınacak dedim ya.
Yaktın bükmeye yine.
Yakma. Hemen alırsın.
Bak.
Bu suyun üstünü koyma.
Aha ya senin.
Ancak. Ötekini al lan öyle. Oo yanıyor dipte. Yanmaz o kadar. O yanmış yanacak adam. O ararmış. Bak onu ya. Hadi koyalım canım. Dur.
Okay, now one and second bread is ready. I will show you. Look at this. Yep. Did you see? This is first one, and the inside is oops, it's so hot. In the inside, vegetable, and this one is only bread, and it is soft. It's really good for breakfast. Yeah, this is ready, and we will put third, and it will wait too much. It is just 10 minutes or 5 minutes is enough. Other big one is will wait 1 hour or 2 hours. Yeah, and we will eat this with tea. Yeah, I'm hungry. It's super delicious. Yeah, wait. Now I find a mushroom on the mountains. Yeah, look at this. It is a little bit, and I'm cooking there. Yeah, I love mushroom. Yeah, it's good. Now they will put last bread. It is very big, and last one. Later we will eat. Üzerine de suyu koyuyorsunuz, su döküyorsunuz.
Varsın ya.
Neden parmak deliyorsunuz?
Bana kabarmışsın. İçi bitik olmasın.
They put the inside all bread. I think 7 bread is there. Yeah, they will cook the inside. Look. My mom is closing the door because it will wait 1 hour. My mushroom is ready. Yep. This is delicious, but it's needed salt. Yeah, but it's good. Okay, I'm really hungry, and my cousin is preparing something for eat. Yeah, I will eat. We will eat. Yep. Bu ne yağ mı?
Ya,
Evet,
tereyağı. Böyle.
Ama böldün ha.
Bütün böyle.
Bir şey verin ya.
Bir daha alırız. Çekecek ya.
Anan ne ki ya? Anan koyun kaba ettiler bitmeye.
Now we are eating. My mom's put the batter on the oven, yeah, on the bread, and we have iron, and we are eating, yeah. It is super delicious. Now bread is ready, and we will take. Okay, yeah, I will show you. Oh my God, rain is coming. Yeah, bread is ready. We will take. Oldu mu?
Oldu. Yanıyor bile zaman.
Yakma yakma. Ana yanmış.
Onlar yanmış. Çok yanmış burası. Ağzını da örtüverdik ya. Taşı koyuyorduk buraya ya.
This is third bread. It's hot. It's big, right? And it's soft right now.
Şimdi çekeceğiz içine.
Okay guys, now we finished all things, you know, we finished it, and my mom and aunt is sitting inside, but rain is coming, weather is bad, and we have to go our home, you know, it's done. And in this video I wanna show you how we are making our bread, okay? I hope I did. And if you liked this video, if you want this kind of videos, just write the comments and like this video, okay? And yeah, we have to go our house because it's cold right now. Rain is coming. Yeah, my face is red right now. Anyway, okay, I love you so much. See you next video. Bye bye. Kumusta Filipinos and hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Faruk Acar. Today I will show you cooking village bread. Okay guys, let's go to cooking time.